What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So I quickly wanted to go over some technical analysis for Win, kind of what I see right now and some possibilities moving forward. We can see we're down 26% on the week with this market correction. We came all the way down and found some support at about 0.0007, and then we had quite a decent amount of buying action. Now, what I wanted to show you guys, which is a good sign, is we found some support on the 200 EMA, and we're allowing the 20 and the 50 EMA to catch up as well. And what we want to see is this 20, as you can see, this yellow line here is kind of intercepted with the candles. We want to see that underneath the candles as well as the 50 EMA. So this is actually healthy. I know it's really hard if you bought in around these levels, or if you bought in at the absolute top, to see it sell off this much. But it's healthy for us to catch back up and have these EMAs come underneath the candles. Now, there is a bit of a bull pendant here forming for Wink. So there is the possibility that we squeeze and we break upwards, but it all depends on BTC. All right, guys. But the main thing I want to show you guys is it's healthy that we're catching up to these EMAs, and hopefully the 50 and the 20 come underneath. Would be a very healthy bullish sign for our next uptrend for Wink, and hopefully, you know, we see higher highs and higher lows once BTC corrects, and we don't see these huge pumps for Wink, which trigger very significant sell-off. So I wanted to show it to you guys on the 1 day. So we can see here on the 1 day that we've come down and found support on the 50 EMA. So that's a good sign, guys. Like, we want to see that. We want to see our candles bouncing off the EMAs, finding support, and getting ready for the next leg up. As you can see, as I talked about in past videos, we're far too overextended. And when you pump like that, well, you're going to sell off. So now, you know, Wink is correcting. We're going through the market correction. We'll probably see some more stabilization. We might even see more sell-off if BTC corrects more. We can see here on the 1 day, the RSI is sitting about 48. And here we have the MACD. The red line is the MACD and the blue line is the signal line. So what we want to see is the MACD start to trend back upwards, cross over the signal line. But it all depends on the master energy, right, guys, BTC. So we'll crank it up to the 1 week. And you can see here, the wick of this red candle has come down and just touched the 20 EMA. All right, guys. So there's nothing to worry about. You know, this is healthy for the Wink chart to be doing this. You can't just pump, right? Or everyone would be on vacation and everyone would quit their 9 to 5. So some possibilities is we either squeeze and we break upwards, or we break downwards and we find support at this bottom here, which is 0.0007, or we sell off even more depending on BTC to 0.006, or we could find support if I zoom out here all the way down at about 0.003. All right, guys, all really depends on BTC. The altcoins follow the master coin, as I've mentioned in previous videos. All right, guys, so just a quick one for Wink. I'll quickly show you guys BTC as I talked about yesterday. If we were to sell off more, well, we have some support lines at about 47,000. If we sell off more, about 45,000. And if we sell off more than that, we could find support at 40,000. However, as I said in yesterday's video, I think we're coming down to test the 20 EMA at about 44,000. That's a possibility before we start to trend back upwards for BTC. All right, guys, so I'll crank it back here to the 4 hour. So this is the main coin you want to keep your eye on. And, you know, hopefully we want to see us just consolidate where we are now. Let's draw a bit of a wedge here. And we start to consolidate and start trending back upwards. But I think we're going to come back and find that that 20 MA on the 1 week chart. All right, guys. So that's it for Winkle. In my opinion, guys, this is healthy. Obviously, if BTC was still trending upwards, that would change everything for the entire market. But the fact that we're bouncing off the 200 EMA on the 4 hour, and if we go to the 1 day, we can see we're bouncing off the 50 EMA. It's a good sign, guys. If we break down even more, well, we could come all the way down. It all depends on BTC, right? But on the RSI, we're healthy. We want to see the MACD kind of swoop and come over the signal line once again. But most likely what we'll see is some consolidation, and then if BTC sells off more, well, down comes Wink to, you know, 0.007, and if BTC sells off more, well, Wink, you know, Wink follows, right? So that's it for Wink, guys. I still think Wink will do very well when the market corrects. Like I said in previous video, once the market corrects, you're going to see these altcoins just whoosh, and you're going to see some juicy gains, in my opinion. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love. Follow me on Twitter. Smash that like button. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. Take care.